YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're at the Pantages theater, trying to pick up some tickets. So right now I'm trying to pick up my wife and my son. They are buying some theater ticket, and then right there, Pantages Theater. So we're at the Hollywood Boulevard right now, and we're gonna head to Grove later on. So catch up with you guys later. We just got here at the Grove. This is the Michael Kors. We got so many stores that we're gonna visit. The main purpose is to come here and visit the candy store. My wife didn't pick up some personal candy. So this is Michael Kors. We just got in here. So let's see. Wow, look at that! Look at this! All this music. Hopefully I'm not gonna hit with no copyright music. too. So I'm going to unbox this Michael Kors that my wife got from Nordstrom. Since we were at the Grove and then inside their Michael Kors store, they were having no sales at all. So we went to Nordstrom and then they were having this anniversary sales. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. She got 2 pair of the shoes. Let me give you guys a 360 of the view of the box real quick. This is Sarto, Franco Sarto. So it's kind of plain on the back. And this is the shoes. Size 7.5 medium. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, guys. So it says original price is $138.95, and then the sale price is $89.90. And you got this anniversary sale sticker right there. So this one's pretty nice. It's got this like a brown suede around your top of the foot section, and then this is there's a rear strap, which is Velcro. I told her the Velcro is not going to last long, but she says pretty easy to snap it on and off. And then it is pretty cushion, soft and comfort. But I'm not sure on the edges, it's kind of hard though. So, and this one looks like it is. I'm not sure. It looks like it's wooden heel. You got this nice chrome finish, and on the outsole is rubberized material. And this is pretty flexible. And you got the brand right there, Sarto. Here is the other side. Hopefully this is gonna last her a long time, because sometimes her hair broke over here, the nail or glue when they manufacture, they didn't do a good job. So that's that one. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This one is Michael Kors. So my bad, this is not Michael Kors. Some other designer shoes. So this is the Michael Kors right here. So this is another pair of sandal. Suki sandal leather. Size 8 medium. Tile blue. Let's go go ahead and get this unboxed. So this is a nice sandal. I'm not sure what. So you got the MK for Michael Kors, and then there is like a little padlock. It says Michael Kors right there. With the key hanging on this loop. So the bottom of the midsole is pretty soft and cushioning. So it's very comfortable. And on the rope right here it says Michael Kors. You got the loop right here as well. And this is a little elastic right here, stretchable, which is good. She likes that part. And you got the nice stitchings all around the shoes. I mean the sandals. Here's the bottom. And this is rubberized rubber outsole right here, just this small section, and you got a little bit wooden heel right here. So it's pretty flexible. Here is the other shoes, or the other sandal. I've got to show you the Michael Kors right there. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up. So this one is $78.95 from Nordstrom. I believe at Michael Kors is about 100 something, if I'm not wrong. And then she got the black pair last time at the TJ Maxx for $59.99. Which I thought was pretty expensive, but after you compare to the original price, it's actually a pretty good price from TJ Maxx. Alright, so hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.